In this video, we'll guide you through commissioning the Sunny Tripower 125 using the installation assistant. We'll focus on configuring and installing the fast stop inputs. Before carrying out any electrical work on the inverter, make sure it is disconnected and cannot be reconnected. First, connect the fast stop contact. Make sure that input FS1 with a disconnection time of 100 milliseconds is suitable for connecting the grid and PV system protection required by VDE-AR-N 4105. Input FS2 with a disconnection time of 1 second is suitable as a universal connection, for example for external switches. Follow the detailed connection instructions in the relevant inverter operating manual. In our case, we're using the connection to input FS1. To connect a trigger contact and link multiple Sunny Tripower 125 inverters, we interconnect the inverters according to the circuitry overview. The advantage here is that the fast stop contacts FS1 and FS2 on the inverter are each provided in duplicate. This makes it easy to connect the signal cable to additional inverters. If you connect to input FS2, make sure to observe the correct pin assignment. Once the connection has been made properly, commissioning can be carried out using the installation assistant. First, configure all settings according to the requirements for network configuration, time, and service. In the Update step, we recommend enabling automatic updates. Next, we'll set the country data set to match VDE-AR-N 4105, since we're showing how to connect a grid protection unit to the digital input. To properly configure the use of the fast stop function in your system, the settings in the Grid Management Services step are especially important. Enable grid and PV system protection via SMAI/O modules to meet the grid protection requirements. If you've connected the fast stop function to input FS2, don't enable grid and PV system protection here. Instead, activate the fast stop parameter. The settings for active and reactive power depend on additional requirements of your system, such as NELEV or EAAV. This completes the commissioning process using the installation assistant. If you want to activate your parameter settings for fast stop or grid and PV system protection later, you can do this via the device parameters. Go to Device, then Inputs/Outputs, and Digital Input to activate the fast stop parameter if a trigger contact is connected to input FS2. If, as in our case, grid and PV system protection is implemented at input FS1, go to Power Control Module and enable grid and PV system protection there. Click Save to confirm your settings. We hope this video was helpful in answering your questions. If you need any further assistance, check out other tech tips on our channel or comment your questions below this video. Would you like to receive the latest tech tips on SMA products? Then subscribe to our channel.